This is the third video in relation to the problem, or not the problem, the default behavior of BGP, in which when router 1 is learning prefixes from Internet 1 over eBGP session and advertises them towards R2 over iBGP session, the next hop value for those prefixes does not change. Well, this means that R2, in order to reach those prefixes, should use the 10.1.10.254, and obviously this is not directly connected network to R2, so we need to somehow tell R2 how to get to the next hop. As of right now, I removed the previous route map. So first I used OSPF advertisement here. So I advertised that prefix into that network into OSPF. The second, I used the route map to change the behavior of from 10.1.10.254 to point to myself, 1.1.1.1. As of this moment, R2 is receiving those prefixes from show IP BGP from Internet 1, but reachability to the next hop is not there. So if I ask, do you know how to reach the next hop in your routing table? I don't. As a result, 110.0.0, since this is inaccessible, we cannot install those prefixes into the routing table. Nothing. Show IP route BGP. So the proper solution, and the one that is used 99% of the time, looks like this. When I advertise prefixes towards 2.2.2.2, I'm going to use one more command for this neighbor. When I advertise prefixes towards 2.2.2 and they are learned over eBGP and I advertise them over iBGP, I will place myself as the next hop. So my source is loopback 0, which is 1.1.1.1. That is going to be next hop from now on R2 for the prefixes learned from R1. So if I do this again, let's just clear the terminal here. Show IP BGP. If it's not showing up, we can force the update sent from R1 towards R2 by doing clear IP BGP neighbor 2.2.2 soft out. So that's going to be advertising itself as a next hop. So if I do that again, I should see greater than sign, and 1.1.1 is now the next hop address, which is reachable via OSPF, and as such can be installed in the routing table. All the prefixes now get installed in the routing table.